If you like our video, click the like button. Click the subscribe button to receive updates on our new video. Don't forget to share our video too.
Hello friends, welcome back to Interesting Mathematics. Now we are up here again with an interesting video. Now what interesting video are we going to show you? Now the video is all about the different systems of measuring an angle. Yes, the different systems of angle measurement. We have heard about one very common measure, and that is degrees. But there are two more. Now what exactly are they? So let's talk about them. So the first system of angle measurement is the Sexagesimal System. Yes, the Sexagesimal System, and that's in English. Okay, so that's an English system. After the first, we have the Centesimal System. Yes, the Centesimal System. Yes, now that one is in French. Yes, so sexagesimal in English, centesimal in French. And the third one is the circular system. Yes, the circular system. So we have three: sexagesimal, centesimal, and the circular system. So let's begin with the first one. Which was the first one? Yes, the sexagesimal system, the English system, right? So let us see how angles are measured in this system. Now, in this system, one right angle, remember, one right angle is divided in 90 equal parts, okay, and they are called as degrees. So one right angle gives 90 degrees. I hope you all know the symbol for degrees, right? We just mentioned a small circle at the top, right there. So one right angle is 90 degrees. Next, 1 degree is further divided into 60 equal parts, and those are called as minutes. So yes, 1 degree is 60 minutes. Now the symbol is a single dash. And lastly, 1 minute is further divided into 60 seconds. Now for the seconds you have 2 dashes. Yes, 1, 2. There you go. So that's the sexagesimal system for you. We now move to the second system of angle measurement, and that one is the Centesimal System. Yes, the Centesimal System, the French system. Yes. So how are angles measured in this system? Let's have a look now. Now in this case, one right angle, yes, one right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, right? So we have 100 equal parts, and they are called as grades. Some people also call it as gradients. And for the symbol, it's a small g at the top. So one right angle is 100 grades. Further, one grade is again divided into 100 equal parts, and they are called as minutes. So one grade gives you 100 minutes, again a single dash. And lastly, 1 minute is divided into 100 seconds. Yes, so here the base is 100, and for seconds you have 2 dashes. I hope this one is clear. Yes, let's move to the next one now, the third one. So wait and watch. So finally we arrive at the third system. And what is that third system? The circular system. Yes, now this one is considered under the SI unit system as well. So the circular system. Now here we express the degrees in radians. Yes, now in this system the angular degrees are expressed as radians, right? Now for the radians, the symbol used is a tiny c at the top, right? So the C denotes the circular system, so a tiny c, that's the radian. Now how will you define a radian? Now let us consider a circle with radius say r. Okay, let me draw one radius, and that is a radius r. Let's draw another radius, say r. Let's name the angle A, O and B. Now if the length of arc AB equals the radius, so the angle at the center is defined to be 1 radian. So we say angle AOB is equal to 1 radian. Yes, simple, isn't it? So that's the circular system. Now, also, we see the relationship between degrees and radians. Now, 1 degree is given by pi upon 180 radians. And the reverse, 1 radian is given by 180 upon pi degrees. Yes, so that's the circular system in radians. Now that we have studied the three systems, let's see how we convert the angle in one system into the angle of another system. Now a simple relationship to convert these is d upon 180, where d is angle in degrees, equals, yes, which was the next system, gradient or grade upon 200, and which was the last one, the radian. So it is r upon pi. Yes, using this we could convert degrees to grades to radians and radians to grades to degrees and so on. So d upon 180 equals g upon 200 equals r upon pi. I hope like it, share it and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos in future. Thank you.